Alright guys, got the snow boots, you know what that means. We're gonna go outside. Put y'all. Alright guys, we're gonna go. Today's only gonna be like a 10-minute video. So I tried to sled in one of my other videos and it failed miserably, bro. Holy crap. Y'all just jumped. Dang, y'all just committed suicide. I'm about to take this off. Glove off. Alright, chat. This should hold pretty well. Get off my screen. Alright, chat. I'm hoping. I know it's a little crooked, but it's the only way this will work. Also, if this video gets 3 likes, I will drink this frozen water bottle that's been out here for like 2 weeks just freezing. It keeps freezing and melting and freezing and melting. I will drink the entire thing on video. Ugh. I'll come out here and no clips. Record me grabbing this, taking it inside. Holy crap. Alright. Video ready. But they think I'm crazy. Oh, she didn't even come to my house. Yeah, screw off, lady. Alright, guys, so should I go up? Oh, is it zoomed in? Okay, not working. I'm gonna go up and ask for that guy's garage for like 20 bucks. Maybe not 20, that's a lot. Shovel that guy's driveway for like 10, 15. Not 15, like 5, 10 bucks. I ain't spoiled. Dude, that like was 2 inches away from just ramming into some. That went in nice. What's up? Let me see what she thinks. Hold up. Let me see what she thinks about me. What's up? Oh, I thought she tried to dab me up for a second. You're not gonna lie, I thought she tried to dab me up. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's probably about 15 degrees. Or not 15. Like, they said -6, but the wind chills make it feel like -12. That's why I got my army troopers lost. I'm about to say, who coming up? I can't believe I'm biking right now. Chat, any day's a good day for a ride. You know that? Any day. Any day. Alright, chat, let's see how far into the snow we can just drive into. I got so scared I was just gonna stop and the camera was just gonna lunge. I might put that on slow-mo. If it's not in slow-mo, then it just means it didn't look cool. If it is, then it did. If you want it to be in slow-mo, just slow-mo it yourself, you fuck. I'm kidding. Holy crap! That's thick. Alright, chat, what do you guys want to do? My last stroke just went viral. Oh, nah. Let me get out of here. Crap, I'm cooked, chat. it is. I'm cooked. Let's see what he can do. Ooh, that ice. Hold up. That ice. Alright, calmly. Oh! Chad almost hit that mound of snow. I want to so bad. I feel like my camera's just gonna like lunge out. Alright, Chad. Alright, Chad, we're gonna... Is that thing blocking the dang screen? Get out! Chat, do we ram into this? Yeah. Alright, so that's how... Oh, that's why we're not making it anywhere. Curb. That makes some more sense. Alright, chat, let's go. Let's try and ride up in this. Whoo! Oh no, I spun out of control almost immediately. Felt like... Oh no. Got the speed of a McLaren and the strength of a Jeep. I think that was the corniest thing I've ever said in my entire life. Oh no, bro. She got her thing. She got her stuff done. I think everybody but this guy. Alright, chat, we gonna ride? Alright, chat, let's actually go somewhere, because... Alright, we're going slow right now. But these boots are kind of crazy. Alright, minivan. Not turning. They did not shovel nothing. I know who that is. And I know who that is. And he just passed up his house. House with the red Jeep is his, or where he lives. It's actually his son's house because he's like 80 and he's living with his son. I know that because I know the kid who lives there. He's my friend. He's pretty cool guy though, the guy who just passed by. But my tires need a clean, Chad. I need to get a picture of me out here right now. New channel logo, bam. Me on the Jeep gone. And he lays. Hey, yo, what? Nah, he gonna think I'm spying on him. I need to leave, bruh. Puddle and snow. Oh! Over that clean. Well, no, my tablet's in my pocket. No, my camera's in my pocket. Chad. Oh, no, bruh. Ain't nobody home right now. Huh. I wonder why. Sometimes I wonder why. And he looked back around. What is this guy doing? Alright. I actually might ask my friend to come though. Like the guy who lived there. He kid? Yeah. Oh, I'm about to pull up with this thing. Hold up, we better hit some ice. Hit some ice clean too. Whew. Holy crap, that was clean, bro. That was so unbelievably clean. Hey, what's up? I know who that is. She nice, bro. Alright, Chad, what are we doing next? Gonna ride up in here. I know right here there's no curb, so I'm gonna try and push through. Whew. It's so deep. Oh my goodness. Chad, I could leave my bike here and it wouldn't even move because of the snow thickness. Alright, we walking up and it's less thick now. We're good. Holy crap, was it thick right there though. Also, if you're wondering, this is not snowball snow, it's more sled snow. But I tried to guys, I wrecked. It's been a bit trying to wipe the dang snow off my camera. I don't even know if I got it on camera. I picked it up and my camera up on my thing. Off. My gloves is filled with snow now too. Should not have done no freaking snow angel, bruh. If you do this, don't stop at a random plot of snow and do a snow angel. Oh my goodness. Bro, the snow is crazy, bruh. I'm finna head home, chat. Is this the end, chat? Is this the get out? Is this the your band? Am I banned? I think I'm banned for a little bit. I mean, there's still the rest of the day, you know what I'm saying? It is still pretty late in the day, though. Don't know exactly what time it is. No, the worst part is I went over to that old man, bro. I was like, Andy, is a good day for a ride. I'm really good. Turned around and wrecked right there. Bro, what is pooping? Ugh. Oh, heck nah. I'll spend the night. Chat, are you subscribed? If no, get out. If you're not, then really just get out. Get out. Get out now. Get out. I spend the night hitchhiking. Where will I go? I can fly home with my eyes closed. But it get kind of hard to see. That's no surprise, though. Alright, we're still recording. I thought it ended. Oh, push through. Bro, what is there? Bro, what is there? That I can't beat. Beat my meat. I saw that Jeep and I thought I was cooked. Nah. I thought I was about to get hit on camera too. That Jeep for real got me jumping. Yeah, got me jumping. Alright, Chad, we gonna pull up at this guy's crib. Hold up. pull up with my whip at this guy crib. Pull up with my whip. He about to... Guys, that bump was a small little piece of ice. Holy crap. I can't even... Oh my goodness, it's hard. Whoa! I'm not letting my handlebars sit in the snow like that, bruh. Sorry, I blocked the camera. I had to hold it so it didn't fall. We going sledding.